Hi guys, it's Jodie from Homepeel. Welcome to my instructional video of the Dip Your Toe in the Water Starter Pack or the Unicorn Pack. They're both the same, it's just that the Dip Your Toe in the Water Starter Pack comes with the enzyme gel cleanser and the exfoliating crystals. So the reason why we like to recommend this product with cosmeceutical grade ingredients is because the enzymetic compounds in this chomp away dead skin cells. So it's just a beautiful way to help your skin get rid of the dead skin cells that sit on top of your face due to the accelerated skin turnover that's happening because of the gorgeous active cosmeceutical ingredients that you're now using. And then twice a week you will add the exfoliating crystals to it, which is this really incredible face polish. The powder is so thin that it actually polishes dead skin cells off your face rather than creating micro tears in your skin with big particles, which you find so often in other skincare exfoliators. Anyway, enough about that. So that's the difference. The starter pack has the gel cleanser and the exfoliating crystals, and the unicorn pack is just the 3 products. Let's get to it. So first of all, use your gel cleanser. Use it morning and or night whenever you're cleansing. It doesn't matter how often you use this. If you're cleansing and washing your face 3 times a week, use it. Sorry, 3 times a day, use it. So use it whenever you're washing. Sorry that this is just about empty. It's pretty embarrassing that I've pretty much ran out of this in my house. But anyway, here it is. So twice a week at the most that you will do this exfoliation. Your skin feels like silk afterwards, but don't get encouraged or tempted to over exfoliate. I've got stacks of videos on that on the website. So if you want to find out why you don't want to overstrip your skin, have a search in the video library. So twice a week only. Okay. Nighttime. This is the Dip Your Toe in the Water Starter Pack, and the Unicorn Pack is for nighttime only. So you start with the hyaluronic acid here. I'm not going to put it on today because I've already got a lot of skincare on. I've done a few videos. So the hyaluronic acid, as you know, it's just like water. It goes straight into your skin, so it doesn't sit on top of the skin. It plumps from the inside. It's as pure, it's so pure you could drink it. It wouldn't taste very nice, but it just goes in. So start off with that. It gets your skin in a really good base to start. It's a great first layer underneath these really incredible active ingredients that we're about to put on top of it next. That being, the first one would be the Miracle Lactic Acid Cream. As you know, this is fantastic. Put this on next. The acid in this, the lactic acid, which is derived from milk, goes into your skin. It slowly eats into the skin, just very softly, and just hydrates and just keeps that skin just being so, so beautiful. So that's the next layer that you put on. And the third layer is our Better Than Retinol oil. This is fantastic with 4% bakuchi oil, jojoba, rosehip, squalene. It has holy basil, which is this incredible Ayurvedic, and the smell of it is going to blow your mind. So you will put that on last. Always put oils on last, and then you sort of do a bit of pressing and a bit of massaging and put that all through your skin. So that's your night treatment. Now, how do you do that? I want you to do what I just described there every second night, okay? On the alternative nights, I want you to just, if you have it, use the Longevity Elixir, which is another beautiful oil blend. Oils are fantastic. At Homepeel, we've done so much experimenting, and we have found that we get the best results if you do it like this. You have your skin doing a workout one night with the actives, like the lactic acid and the bakuchi oil, which is the retinol alternative. Do the big workout, and then the next night it's being fed, pampered, nurtured, and loved, and that's with this beautiful Longevity Elixir. So one night on, one night off. One night working out, one night having like a beautiful pamper night. If I've given you different instructions, or if one of the other skincare coaches has given you instructions, like for example to use the retinol and the miracle cream only twice a week, then you do that. This is the default base way to use it, but we do tweak it because everybody's skin is different. That's why we have skincare coaches. So this is just the default. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, I think that's about it. So that's nighttime only. If you want to find out a little bit more about our daytime, go over to our morning packs and you'll see information and some videos there. But aside from that, thank you very much, and I'll speak to you later. Bye bye.